any 3D shape you want.
What's 3D?
3D. So instead of it being on paper, it's like this is a 3D shape. I'm not, like this is 2D. I'm flat. But if I rise it, it's like this. So this is a 3D shape. Yeah.
I don't.
3D shapes. So 1.1 is about 3D figures and cross sections. Okay, what 3D shape do we think of? Why does half of us don't have notebooks out? Put your notebooks out. Vincent, where's your notebook? Sophia, where's your notebook? Grab a piece of paper. Hey, I'm happy I have a piece of paper.
Yeah.
A rectangular prism. I heard rectangular prism.
Can you draw a
A sphere? Oh, a sphere. Yes. Say it, Liam? We probably can do that. Okay. This is a rectangular prism. Okay, I also heard sphere. We're going to talk about that in 11.4 if we get to it. Elijah, give me another 3D shape. Pyramid. Let me draw a better pyramid. That one was bad. This is a square pyramid. Yeah, this is square pyramid. Okay, we have a pyramid and a prism. What's the difference between a pyramid and a prism? I sort of heard it. Pyramid meets. Yep, meets at a point. All up and top. A prism, this is our base, and I have another base on the other side. So it's kind of like stretching out our front face and stretching it out. Pyramid will all meet up at one top. Vincent, give me another shape. Any 3D shape you want. A what? Square is 2D. If I did a square in 40, I would have a cube. Cube? Say it, Alan.
Square pyramid.
Square pyramid, yep. Boom, boom. A cube. 4 sides. You got it, Liam? Yep. Okay. We're going to look at the rectangular prism for a second. I want to say how many sides, how many vertices, and how many edges does this shape have? Do you like the word sides or do you like the word faces? Okay, we'll use it for now. How many sides does a rectangular prism have? 6. 6. Okay. What does vertices mean? Yeah, it's where 2 lines meet up. So at least 2. So there's one there. Yep. I think of these as points. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points. Sunny, how many edges do I have?
On the rectangular prism?
Is that the shape one?
I think so.
Yeah. How many edges do I got?
The corner, right?
No, those are vertices. That's the one that we just did. Vertices, all the points.
Well,
We did all the faces. What's 12? Yeah, Elijah, what are edges? Well, I thought he just went off of it. Where two sides meet. So it's all of our lines. If we count all of our lines, we should have 12 lines. Those are all of the edges. Should have 12. So like this is an edge. This is an edge. That's an edge. So is that. And that one. And that one. And that one. And that one. And it keeps going all the way to 12. Yeah? Okay. What about in a square pyramid? How many sides? How many vertices? Yeah, we got 5 sides. How many vertices?
5, 8.
Yep, 5. We got 1 up top and we got 4 in the bottom. How many edges do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 in there as well. Okay, there is an equation to find the relationship between all of these. But first, let's make a table. And we're just going to focus on prisms for a second, no longer periods. So, make a table. Over here, we're going to have types of prisms. So we have a triangular prism. And we did a rectangular already. Okay, sides. Another word for sides is faces. So we're going to use the word faces. So faces is an F. We have our vertices, which is V. And we have edges, which is E. Rectangular prism, we said it was 6, 8, and 12. How do I sketch a rectangular prism? I want you to sketch a rectangular prism. So rectangular prism. What does that look like? Sketch it. Triangular and rectangular. Everybody did that type of sketch it. Is it meeting up at the top? It's not. Is it extending? Okay, that's good. Yep, looks good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's a triangular prism. Start with a triangle, start with another triangle. Then connect the points that are the same. Boom, we have a triangular prism. Okay, how many faces does this have? How many vertices? Someone not Ronaldo. How many edges?
8. 9. 9.
Yes. Do we need to look at it? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we should have 9 edges. Okay, what's the difference between 5 and 6? How much am I going up? Okay, what about the next one? Next one? 3. Yep. For each additional face on a prism, we gain 2 more vertices and 2 more edges. 3 more edges. So every additional face we get 2 more vertices and 2 more edges. That is called Euclid's formula. You guys remember hearing of Euclid's? Okay, that's fine. Euler's? Okay, it depends on where you're from. Yep, you can say it either way. This states that faces F plus vertices equals my edges if you add 2. F stands for what, Rodelia? F stands for what? Faces. Klein, what does V stand for? Vertices. Yep. Kevin, what does E stand for? Edges. Edges. Done. Plus 2. Yep, have to add 2. What? This is the formula. Our faces plus our vertices, Euler's, however you want to pronounce his name. No. Okay. Give me, I don't want to do that. Okay. We're going to do a practice problem. Do you want to do it up on the boards? Yeah. Okay, but then we're going to sit down. Okay. Groups. I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing to algebra. I am. Chapter 7, 8, 9, or 10?
7.
I heard 10 first. Okay, 10. Okay, we're going to go with 10.5 groups.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You guys chose these groups. All these groups are good. You have one practice problem up on the board. Go. What? We're gonna go back to it. Yep. Go get your groups. Yeah. I picked random groups.
I feel so bad.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it a nat 20?
Say again?
Do you know what a nat 20 is?
I've heard it before, but I don't.
Play Dungeons and you play D&D?
My friends do. I don't. Anna, go find your lovely group.
It don't matter.
Okay, you have your problem off the board.
What's across like?
It's okay. You're cutting it.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. Right?
Oh, dice. What's
These right?
a traditional size die has 30 images.
Oh, we're doing
Yeah.
You're the best draw.
so
This really me, right? Yeah. So how many vertices does it? Wait.
I get it. This is the side, right? So this versus and what are like edges plus two any 3D shape. He told me like he showed one time I did next time he told me and we're not looking at the not doing some.
just say to people,
That's about it. Let's do a triangle.
she's more of a working independent.
I just want to do board versus not I don't want to do this one. Cut it. Get oh, and cut it in half. Yeah, what's it saying? The red. By what? By what? By a plane? You said by a plane. Wait, I think that's right. I think that was right.
You could split it right here.
Like a coordinate plane.
Cross section. Cut the 3D shape by
Take these parts and look at them. What shape? That's right. Yeah. We're gonna
Hippie.
make sure like a plane. But you did that whole thing. Wait.
Tetrahedron. Tough.
Remember.
How do you meet your best friend? Who's your best friend?
But you erase compost face, huh? I'm just erase compost.
Why'd you erase it?
Just cause. Don't.
Too weak, bitch.
No.
Yeah, come on.
You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go Japanese boy? I can just go like that. See you. And you like that.
Japanese boy?
Yeah.
His name is
Fuck. No.
Yamamoto.
You're making it sound gay.
Huh?
It's not. Oh, your name's like. Your name's like. What's your name? Wesley. Yeah, that's kind of like very. What's this your name?
And
Wesley.
and
Wesley.
and
That's a ghost name.
Wesley.
Yeah, that's a ghost name. It's a ghost name.
No.
Wesley's a ghost name. Yeah, that's why you're so good.
You're fine.
Oh, did it go?
Is this the red? That's definitely a problem. And it looks great, yeah. Okay, first one, sit back down. It takes you guys forever to sit down. How many faces did I have in the first one?
12.
20. How many faces? We're trying to solve for vertices. How many edges do I have? 30. You might want to write this in your notebook so you have for later. Otherwise, pretty easy. Okay, then I get 20 plus v equals 32 minus 20 from both sides. I should have gotten v equals 12. So I have 12 vertices. Yeah. 12 vertices. 12 vertices. Okay, you all sketched. Do you have any questions about that problem? Pretty easy, right? Yeah? Okay. We're sketching 3D shapes now. We're going to talk about cross sections. Right here, we had a triangular prism. Triangle in the bottom. Not triangle. Rectangular prism. Thank you. This seems to be where they crossed it. If this is the base, this is perpendicular to the base. Right? Okay. If I took this shape and I cut it right in half and I took both sides of it and I looked at it, what shape would that be?
Square.
Square. Okay. Let's look at the second one over here. You guys cut it. We have a what type of shape?
Triangle. Rectangular.
It's a pyramid. Pyramid point. This is pyramid. We're meeting at one top. They're cutting it perpendicular to the base. I would write this like so. So we have a plane in distance that we're cutting it. And then what shape is inside here? A triangle. What do I cut it perpendicular to the base? So I cut it that way. Square. Square. Right? Okay. Well, okay, sphere. Okay. It doesn't matter which way you cut this one. This is, let's say, this one. And I'm going to cut it in half this way. What shape would be inside that we're seeing? Yep, we would have a circle like so. Yep, if I had one and I cut it in half, no matter what way, and I looked at where I cut, both sides would be circles. Cylinder in your notebook. Cylinder. So you do two of them. I'm going to sketch 3 of them. Sketch 3 cylinders. 3 cylinders. So all behind the outside. We're going to turn and rotate.
Why'd you go to the back?
Because I want cylinders. You want me to go up front? No.
Alright, I guess it don't matter anymore.
If it's fine, then we want to go up front.
Do we get the same piece?
Stop.
Going to the front is right.
Miss Lee.
Yeah.
After the word across, what's the word?
Where?
Cross.
Cross section. So we're talking about cross. We'll define it in a minute. 3 cylinders.
The example or something.
No, sketch it. This is the beginning of cross sections. It just looks a lot better on this board. These are all cylinders. Okay. What's our base of a cylinder? A circle. So this is our base, this is our base, and this is our base. Okay, parallel, perpendicular. What do you want to do first?
Parallel.
Parallel. So if I'm going parallel, I'm going this way from it. Okay, so take a sheet of paper or something. I'm going to cut it this way. Across it. If I cut it perpendicular, so like take this bottle. If I cut it this way, what shape would I have if I opened it up?
Circle.
Circle. So I would have a circle like so. So that's the shape we're talking about. Circle.
Yeah, draw that box.
Yes, because it's supposed to be a plane that's cutting it through. If it distracts you, then you don't have to. Yep.
I just don't know how to draw.
Okay. Perpendicular. Just draw like that. It's just a giant rectangle. And then when you go in back, just do dots. Like so. Okay. If I cut it up and down, going this way, and then I opened it up, what shape would I have?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So something like this. A rectangle inside. It would be even. Why do you think I drew a third one? Yeah, diagonal. So this is a little, I'm not going to draw the plane for this one because it doesn't look good. If I did diagonally, so pretend the plane is like going this way, what shape would I get? I want you to sketch it. What shape would I get? If I took this bottle and I cut it this way.
Triangle. Right angle. Oh, wait.
I want you to sketch it.
Triangle with here.
Sketch it. I want you to sketch it. What? Okay, what do we think it is?
So, I guess a triangle.
Okay, I hear triangle, rectangle, I heard oval, what else? I hear triangle, rectangle, oval. Circle? Okay. Raise your hand if you think it's triangle. Raise your hand if you think the cross section is a triangle, if I'm cutting it diagonally. Raise your hand. Okay, I guess nobody. Okay, rectangle. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, because no one's voting. Close your eyes. Vincent. Okay, close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. Triangle, hands up. Yash, close your eyes. Rectangle, hands up. Oval, hands up. Circles, hands up. Okay, hands down. Y'all got it mostly if you voted. It should be an oval. It goes down and around like so. And that's what all is inside. Do you want to see a cool 3D version of it? Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Sections of a cylinder. Okay, that one was parallel to the base, right? Okay, I'm going to rotate it so it's not straight anymore. Boom. Yep. It's an oval. And if I keep going, it becomes a weird shape that's not anything. If I go perpendicular, I get a rectangle. Yep. It does. Boom, boom. No matter which way you go this way, it's going to be a square. Okay. Let's do a rectangular prism. Oh, we already did this one. Okay, that was the square. That was the rectangle. Then we went this way. Wait. I need to move it. Well,
What's the Planet of Heights like?
to move it. I don't even know. This was not that shape over there. We have a triangle at the bottom. No matter which way you cut this, it's being a triangle. Because our base is also a triangle before. Our base is a square over there because our base is a square. So cut parallel to the base would be the same shape as a base. Let's do a different one. What about a cone? How do I sketch a cone? circle and we meet up at a point. Down below. Down below. Okay, if I cut it parallel to the base, what shape would I get? Okay, what if it was perpendicular to the base? Triangle. Yes. If I cut it like this way. If I cut it this way, going down, going out. Over here is going to be the triangle. Like so. And that's our triangle inside. I would sketch the cone. Sketch a cone. So we have a circle. If I do it vertically, then I have a triangle. If it's right where the vertex is. Like so. But if I move it, then it's no longer a triangle. It's only a triangle right at its vertices. Down below, it's not. It's a weird upside down parabola. Filled in. It is a mound. You're going to have a lot of mound problems in this one. If you have a mound of this much dirt, what is the volume of the dirt? How fast can you get rid of the dirt? That's the problems we're getting to. Yep. Okay, pretty easy? No. Oh, I didn't even do the fun shape with you guys. Huh?
What?
There was a fun shape, which is called a hippie, but we're not going to talk about it.
Something isosceles triangle.
We're not gonna get to it because you guys didn't get to it yet. Okay, let's. If I say pentagon, how many sides does a pentagon have?
6.
5. Hexagon.
6.
Heptagon.
8.
What's 8?
How do you say that?
Deck. Yes. 10. Perfect.
Wait, what's 9?
No, I don't. Try 9. Remember these. These we call from basic shapes. If you see any of these in the beginning, that is what that shape is. What? These are French words. It's like heptagon. It's 7. I don't remember. Under 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ronaldo, what is it?
I guess you did just set the numbers.
I don't know what it is, and
We are so used to that word. Okay.
it does it worse later. Okay, let's do a heptagonal prism. Sketch a heptagonal prism. Hexagonal prism. Let's do hexagonal. Hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism. What shape should I start with? Yep, hexagon. How many shapes does a hexagon have? How many sides? Yep, 6. Climb me right. Don't listen to Gian. Why did I draw this so crooked? Okay, it's a little rough. Okay, if I cut this perpendicular to the base, what shape would I get? Perpendicular to the base, so down the middle, right across the middle. So this way. All squares are rectangles, but yes, I would get a rectangle. Going down from here to here, here to here, here to here. That's what I would get if I cut it perpendicular to the base. If I cut it parallel to the base, what shape would I get? Yeah, so if I cut it this way, boom, what shape would I get, Liam? Hexagon, right inside, like so. There is my hexagon. Okay, I do want to give you. Homework.
So no homework.
You said no.
Okay.
you said there was no-
Do you want homework? We have like a tiny bit left. Do you want to be fresh in your heads for tonight for homework or tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow's fine. Yeah, I can
You
do
know,
that
like
one.
Miss Sweet was like a big procrastinator in high school, where she has to change her weights because she was a teacher.
No. Homework? I was never a procrastinator. This is the homework if you want it, Rodelia.
Or were you the type of student that did their homework?
Bye. Yeah, you're fine.
Miss Sweet, you should like make an office.
Miss Sweet, make sure to steal your
I am so glad that we couldn't cut that.
Would my finals be easier because I'm leaving early?